I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you and me can just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
I love you, and I love the double deck.
Happy birthday, Chi! Musta na? Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. God bless!
Bye! Happy birthday, Ninang Michelle.
Happy birthday, Chi! Tanda mo na. Tayo pala. Stay happy and pretty. See you soon!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hep hep?
Hooray!
Hep hep?
Hooray!
What did I say?
Goodbye. Goodbye to you.
Happy birthday, Ichi! You're very lucky to have a sweet mic na umeffort at pinressure ang friends mo para dito sa video na to. Since di pa ako pumapayat, voice over muna since magkamukha naman kami. Have a lovely birthday and looking forward to the day we meet again. Kung saan man yun. We'll miss you. Bye!
Hi, Chi! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. And whatever yung pinipray mo, ay dalawa ni Mike, yun din yung pinipray ko para sa inyo, for you to have a baby. And I'm so thankful for knowing you. Actually, I'm happy na nag-evolve yung relationship natin from being your supervisor before and now being your friend. So, I hope we'll stay that way. We openly communicate with each other, yung mga secrets natin, yung mga desires, or yung mga anything that happens in our life, we share it together. And sana, we will see a little Chi or a little Mike very, very soon. Happy birthday!
Kaya Chi, happy birthday! Alam mo naman na maraming common sa atin. Thank you sa friendship. Thank you for being my ate. At saka for being my best friend. Simula nung nasa bangko ka hanggang ngayon. Yun lang ate. Thank you. And wish ko sa inyo ni Kuya Mike, pareho lang sinabi ni Ma'am Carol, na sana magka-baby na kayong dalawa. Happy birthday, Ate Chi!
Hi, Chi! Happy birthday! Wish ko lang sa'yo is kung ano man yun ganun din, kung ano yung desire ng heart mo, sana matupad. Tapos, thank you din for being a good friend. And yun lang, hope you have a wonderful birthday, enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
From Carol,
From Camille,
Duna,
happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Chi. Happy birthday. Sorry, hindi ako makakalipad papuntang Pilipinas para sa birthday mo. Pero I'm wishing you all the best. God bless. Thank you for, over the years, being such a good friend of mine. Thank you for being a mentor to me and a confidant. God bless and happy birthday again. See ya. Bye.
Happy birthday, Chi! Thank you sa lahat ng naitulong mo sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninang. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Miss na po kita. Mag-iingat ka po palagi. I love you po. Happy birthday, Ninang.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate! I love you! Bye-bye. Miss you, Ninang.
Happy birthday, tita. Happy birthday, tita. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, tita. Happy birthday, tita Chi. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, ate!
Happy
We love you!
birthday! Happy birthday, tita Chi. Happy birthday, Ninang.
Happy birthday, Ninong. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Ninang.
Che, kumusta na? Happy birthday! Enjoy the day. At sana marami pa narating na birthday. Ingat! Happy birthday! Okay.
Chi, happy birthday! Camera siya ko ka. Totally covered. Happy birthday!
Hello, G. Greetings from Dubai. Happy birthday. Ayan o. Ayan yung kasama ko ngayon. Yung kasama ko dito. So, ingat lagi. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to the Ichi. Happy birthday. Gusto pa lang makita ni kaya kayo magkita ng mga Tita Ichi. Happy birthday. Sa mga oras na nakikinig ka na kailangan ko ng kausap sa mga kabaligan moments ko. Tapos, thank you sa pagpapadala ng mga bags ni damit ni Lord. Pwede sa mga lolo. Nila, lolang sino.
Para na mama, malaman mo, gaan siya kagaan. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ichi. Alam mo ba, tinanong ako ni Lexi kung ilang taon ka na. Sinabi ko yung age mo. You look like 23, sabi niya. Happy birthday, Ichi. Good luck, good health. Love you.
Chi, oh. Happy birthday, ha? Oh, matanda ka na. Oh, regalo ko sa'yo. Yellow plastic. Oh, isa na kayo dyan. Sige ha, bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit. Sige, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Chi.